If my head hurts, I say, I have a headache.
Correct.
If my stomach hurts, I say, I have a stomachache.
Yes. You can also say, my stomach hurts.
Which one is better?
Both are fine. I have a stomachache is very common, and my stomach hurts is simple and natural.
What about throat?
You can say, I have a sore throat. That means your throat hurts, especially when you swallow or speak.
So not, I have throat pain?
You can say that, but I have a sore throat sounds more natural.
Good. If I'm very hot and sick?
You can say, I have a fever.
And if I make this sound all day? Cough, cough.
Then you can say, I have a cough.
Easy.
If your nose is producing a lot of liquid, you can say, I have a runny nose.
Runny nose. Very strange phrase, but useful.
Very useful.
And if I feel like the room is moving?
You can say, I feel dizzy.
D-I-Z-Z-Y. Dizzy.
Exactly.
What if I just feel weak and tired?
You can say, I feel weak, or I feel very tired.
Okay. So I can say, I have a headache, I have a fever, and I feel weak.
Perfect. That is clear English.